Gravity is also the reason why planets in our solar system orbit the sun. They got their initial velocity when the solar system formed out of spinning gas, and since there's nothing in space to stop them from moving, they'll keep moving. Hey, that's Newton's first law. The sun is so massive that the force of gravity keeps pulling the planets towards the sun, but the planets are fast enough to essentially fall towards the sun but miss it, and this goes on forever, creating a round orbit. Actually, that's kind of a lie. Most orbits are not perfectly round, but more egg-shaped, and Pluto's orbit is just a complete mess, but you get the idea. In this case, the gravity is what we call a centripetal force. One thing many people confuse is mass and weight, and no, they're not the same. Mass tells you how much of this blob there is, and weight is the force of gravity the blob would feel. To make things clear, your mass would be the same on the Earth and on the Moon, but the weight you would perceive is different because the Moon has a weaker gravitational pull, meaning a weaker force acting on your mass. So really, you're not overweight, you're just on the wrong planet. Alright, enough about Newton, let's break some stuff. If you ever dropped your phone, it might look like this. What the hell, ground? Why'd you do that? The answer is energy. You know, the thing kids have after eating gummy bears. Energy has the unit joule, and it's not like force. It doesn't have a direction, it's just a number that's kinda chilling there as a property of a thing. You see, there's two main kinds of energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. In plain English, energy of movement and stored energy due to some circumstance. For example, when you held your phone, it stored gravitational potential energy due to being held above the ground at a certain height. Once you dropped it, that potential energy was converted into kinetic energy as the phone fell.